Good afternoon, all my dear students. Okay, I hope all are fine or good. Yes or no? You all are enjoying your long vacation. Yes or no? So, myself, Swati Agre, I am your computer teacher. Okay, students, now start our lecture. So, students, first I will show you which book we are using. Okay, in your in your 7th standard we are using information technology. Okay students, so this book we are using in 7th standard. So now let's start our syllabus. Okay, now I will show you what is the contents are given in your book. So now look at here. Contents, theory and practical. There are two sections are there. First is a theory, second is a practical. First is a theory, second is a practical. So practicals I will show you next lecture. Okay students, I will show you some videos of that practicals. Understand here? So now let's start our first theory section, computer generation. Computer generation. So students, let's start generation, computer generation. So student, we start our in this lesson. I will show you some pictures. Okay, I will show you some picture, so you can better understand what is a computer. Okay students, what is a generation. So student, I will show you pictures. Okay, so look at here. This is your first picture. This is your first picture. Computer. So what is a computer? All of you know parts of computer. This is a monitor, printer, speaker, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Okay, printer, monitor, CPU, speakers, keyboard and mouse. These are the basic parts we learn at standard first to standard 6. Yes or no? And you know what is a computer, which are the parts of the computer. Yes or no? So now this is a picture of computer. Now what is a generation? Generation means what? Starting to old age. Okay, when we are born, that called that stage is first stage, and when you get the old age, it's called as a last stage. Yes or no? So generation means what? Step by step we getting old age. Yes or no? अभी देखो पिक्चर में आपको दिख रहा है, दिस इज अ स्मॉल बेबी. उसके बाद वो फर्स्ट सेकेंड में जाता होगा. देन ही गेट 3 or 4 years, then 18 years, then 45 years, then 60. So 60 and 65 is the age of old age. So same as it is, computer generation is also that is called as a generation. So in this chapter we learn computer generation. Computer generation भी वैसे ही होता है. Yes or no? Now we are in 5th generation. Okay, I will show you the pictures that you can get better understand. So students, this is a 5 generation of computer. Look at this chart. This is a 5 generation of computer. Okay, so now students, let's proceed our lecture. Generation of computer. Okay, generation of computer. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation. So students, मैंने आपको बताया जनरेशन मीन्स व्हाट क्या होता है. जनरेशन यानी क्या होता है बच्चे लोग? जनरेशन मीन्स व्हाट? स्टार्टिंग टू एंड. मतलब हम लोग जैसे फर्स्ट जनरेशन से होते स्टार्ट होते और लास्ट जनरेशन में हम लोग क्या होते? ओल्ड एज. वैसे ही कंप्यूटर के क्या होते? जनरेशन. सो फर्स्ट जनरेशन period or timeline is given 1940 to 1950, then 1950 to 1960 onwards 1960 to 1970, and fourth generation 1970 to present, and fifth generation the present and the future, fifth generation. Now we are which generation? Fifth generation. So students understand what is a generation. So generations, this is your generation. Now which hardware or which chips we can use at that computer or CPU, that evaluating hardware. Okay, so first generation we can based on vacuum tube based. First generation we can first generation vacuum tubes are they are using. Second generation transistor. Third generation integrated circuit. Fourth generation microprocessor. Fifth generation artificial intelligence based. So students, we are in fifth generation. Understand here students? Now vacuum tubes. What is a vacuum tubes? Vacuum tubes an electronic device that controls the flow of electrons in a vacuum. It uses a switch, amplifier or display the screen in many order model ratios, television and computer. Okay, in first generation use what is use is there, vacuum tubes are use there. Second is a transistor and electronic components that can be used as an amplifier or as switch. It is used to control the flow of electricity in ratios, television, computer, etc. Next is a which generation? Third generation. A small electronic circuit printed on the chip made of the usually made of silicon that consists many its own circuits eliminate transistor, diodes, registers. Okay. Next is a microprocessor, an electronic components held on an integrated circuit that contains a computer central processing unit, CPU and other associate circuits. Next is a memory, a physical device that is used to store the data. Memory, your brain. What is your brain? Is your memory? Yes or no? Without brain you can't do anything. So same as it is, memory is a what is a memory? A physical device that is used to store the data. जैसे हम लोग अपने ब्रेन में जैसे हम लोग स्टोर करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट सेम एज इट इज़ द कंप्यूटर मेमोरी इज स्टोर द डेटा information and program in the computer. Memory is very important part. Then artificial intelligence, AI, an area of the computer science that deals with an stimulation and creation of intelligent machines or intelligent behave in a computer. Okay, they think, learn, work and react like human. Okay, so now which generation are there? There is a we are in fifth generation. Fifth generation are using in artificial intelligence. Okay students, hope you all are understand. Now look at this picture. This is a picture of vacuum tube. These vacuum tubes used are in first generation. Next picture is a this is a transistor. This is a second generation. Okay, transistor. This is a picture of transistor. Okay, this is a picture of transistor. Next is a integrated circuit. This is a picture of integrated circuits. This is a microprocessor or assembly language. Okay. So now students, look at we are in fifth generation. Okay. Look at the model design of the fifth generation of computer. Now we are in fifth generation. Look at this picture. You all are getting fifth generation computers are in a design mode with the artificial intelligence technology. Okay, so now we are using in artificial intelligence technology. This is a fifth generation model design. देखो आपने देखा होगा ना, now we are using in fifth generation of computer. So students, I hope you all are understand. Yes or no? Okay, now look at this type of computer. Okay, there are microcomputer, mini computer, personal computer, supercomputer, laptop and tablet. Now laptop and tablet, you all of you know that. Yes or no? Now your work, now your online lectures, online lectures are in laptop and tablet. So we are using laptop and tablet. So students, I hope you all are understand. Okay. Look at this. First generation, second generation, third generation. Okay, look at this picture. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and last is a fifth generation. So students, you all are understand? Okay, generation of computer. All of you understand? Okay, now let's start our. This is all of you clear that generation of computer is clear? Okay, now let's proceed our next. So students, look at your book. So students, let's start our features of each generation. Features of each generation. So I will show you some PPTs of that. Features of each generation. Okay students? Features of generation. So फीचर्स होते हैं ना अपने अपने सबके. यस और नो. फीचर्स मीन्स वर्ड वो हाउ यू आर लुकिंग, फेयर, ब्लैक. यस और नो, ये क्या होते हैं? फीचर्स. सो सेम एज इट इज़ कंप्यूटर के भी फीचर्स होते हैं. ओके, फीचर्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. सो यह फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर फीचर्स. टेक्नोलॉजी यूजेस वैक्यूम ट्यूब. मशीन्स लैंग्वेज वेयर यूज टू instruct the computer. Magnetic core memory was used as a primary memory. Okay, then punch card printing devices were used to input and output operations and store the result. It occupies very large space. Slow processing, insufficient and unreliable due to low accuracy. Power consuming was very high and it generated much heat. It could only perform the straightforward simple numerical calculation. Computer used to be much expensive. So this is a first generation computer feature. Next is a second generation. Now come look at this picture. This is a second generation of computer. Okay students. So in this technology, which technology are using? Transistor. Operation speed was in term of the microsecond. Assembly language and machines independent language such as COBOL, okay, and were introduced the size of the computer. Magnetic core memory was used as a primary memory. Magnetic drum and magnetic tab were used in the secondary memory. Power required to operate them was low. It could perform scientific calculations such as solving differential equations. Storage capacity and use the computer were increased. Okay. Next is a third generation. Okay, third generation. The technology used is IC. What is the meaning of what is the full form of IC? Is integrated circuit. Transistors were replaced by the IC in their electronic circuits. High level language like Fortran Basic and other used to develop the program. Okay, these are the high level machine language. Semiconductor memory is like RAM and ROM were used as a primary memory. Monitor and keyboard were introduced for the data input and output respectively. Multi-programming facility was developed. The computer was used in a census, calculation, military, banks and industries. Size, cost, power required and heat generation decreases. Okay. Now next is a fourth generation. In fourth generation, you can see over here laptop is there. Yes or no? Laptop is there. Tablet is there. So look at the features. Technology in use, VLCI is introduced and use microprocessor based technology. Problem oriented fourth generation language is used to develop the program. Okay students, so email, internet and mobile communication are developed. Advanced user friendly web page software and developed. Size, cost, power required. Heat generation decreases compared to the previous generation. Okay, now next is a fifth generation, present and futures. Okay, future, present and future. Technology to be used, these machines will incorporated biochip and VVLIC, very large scale integration, or ULTRA, ultra largest scale integrated, ULSI. The computer will have sufficient intelligence. Natural language will be used in developed program. The computer will have parallel processing in full fetch. The operating speed will be term of leap, logical inference per second. Okay student, so these are the features of fifth generation. Okay, so look at here, next slide. The aim is to bring machines with the genius IQ, the ability to reason logically and with the real knowledge of the world. Thus, this computer will be totally different, totally novel and totally new than last four generation of computer. Fifth generation computer was based on artificial intelligence integration and that still developing process, but not yet a reality. This computer is incomplete. The scientists are working on it still. Understand here now. These are fifth generation, present and future. So hope you all are understand. Yes or no students? Okay. Okay students, you all are understand. Okay, any doubt of the generation features of computer? In your computer book, this much only is given. You can go through your book, you can get better understand. Okay students, now look at these pictures. This is the second generation. This is a transistor. This is the third generation. What we are using? Integrated circuits. Okay, next is a fourth generation is a microprocessor. Fifth generation. Okay, fifth generation, this is a fifth generation of computer. So students, I hope you all are understand. Okay, so if you have doubt, you ask me in your next lecture. Students, if you have doubt, then you ask me in your next lecture. Okay students, now look at this, look at your book. All of you look at your book. What we can learn in this chapter? Computer generation. Okay, electronic revolution. Look at your book. Vacuum tubes. Okay, next is a first silicon transistors. Okay, look at this picture. Latest microprocessor from Intel. Next picture, next page. This is your next page. Next page, computer generation. So you have so today you have homework for you. You have to write down this table. Okay students, you have to write down this table in your computer book. Otherwise you have to write down rough book. Okay students, no problem. You have to write down this table in your rough notebook. Generation, general period and area out. Okay, so you can get better understand. Now what features each generation, I will show you the pictures and explanation also. Yes or no students? Okay, so look at this look at your book. This is a vacuum tube. This is a punch card. Okay, paper tag. Next is a magnetic drum memory. Okay, so look at your book, go through your book. If you have doubt, then you can ask me in your next lecture. Students, you understand? Now next page, fifth generation. So this next page number, look at your book, page number 12. What IT has done to your society? What IT has done to our society? So students, I will show you where you can use a computer. Okay students, let's. Okay, so computer are used in many places, yes or no? So where we can IT changes, computerized of railway, reservation system, banks, business, government, money orders sent through the satellite communication, STD, PCO booths. Okay, in many places result is fast digital telephones. Internet connectivity has proliferated. India a large multilingual country with the 18 recognized languages. Okay, so this is a IT has done our society. Okay students, understand? So now student, next come to our exercise, filling the blank and true or false. Okay, you have to find out the answer and write down with pencil. Okay, next lecture I will give you all the filling the blanks and true or false answers. Okay students, so students, here we students, thank you. Okay, bye and take care.